while punching E command, skip next node. With this tool, we can put sequins in punching mode, and backtrack will return automatically. Here, we have one object. Open Application Properties. Turn on, while punching E command, skip next node button. Now, we will select Bezier tool. Select Line Fill. And draw a little object. And press E key to put a sequin. Here, you can see, backtrack has been returned automatically. Sequins will drop as we press E key. Now, we will turn on Sequin by pressing Sequin button. Here, you can see, Sequin has been added, with same backtrack.